Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean and maintain your washing machine. The first step is super easy. After you finish washing your clothes, keep the door open. This will allow the drum to fully dry and get rid of any excess moisture. Moisture equals mold, and mold equals smells, and we want to prevent all of that. Next, we're gonna wipe down that little flippy flap. Most of the time, it collects hair and excess water and loves to mold and stink. So make sure to keep it clean and dry after washing your clothes. Also, don't forget to wipe down the doors. As a rule of thumb, keep everything dry. Moving over to the detergent drawer. Once or twice a month, give it a quick wipe to remove any spills or leftovers. But once or twice a quarter, you should deep clean it. To do that, take it out completely and wash it under hot water. Make sure it's completely dry before putting it back. But wait, there's more! If you use liquid detergent, then you will most likely find detergent buildup in the drawer chamber. If you don't clean it, the liquid turns into a thick gel over time, which I find pretty cool actually, but that's not the point. Regardless of the type of detergent you use, you should still keep the chamber clean. I find it much easier to scrape as much of the gel as possible first and then wiping it down. Much better. Now we've reached the filter, which is usually located at the front of your washing machine and should be cleaned every 2 months. There are 2 types of filters that I know of. One with a hose to drain excess water, and this one, which I find extremely inconvenient, but we don't really have a choice. Slide a container under the lid and slowly open the filter to let the water drain. If this is your first time doing this, be warned, the water is going to stink really, really bad. But you can do this, and I believe in you. Take out the filter and clean it. I also once found a button inside the filter chamber, so just make sure there's nothing there. If there's water trapped in the chamber, you can also help it escape by... What is this? Is it inside my glove? Is it inside my glove? Oh God! Ew! Okay, much better. As I was saying, wipe down the lid and the chamber. Just make sure all the components are clean before closing them off. And also wipe the outside of the lid. Next, we're going to sanitize the washing machine. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either use white vinegar and baking soda or a washing machine cleaner. I've personally only used the latter, but feel free to use whatever makes you comfortable. If you're interested in a cleaner, I will leave a link for one in the description below. Pour the cleaner or vinegar in the detergent drawer and run the machine on its hottest cycle or as per the cleaner directions. By the end of it, you will have a safe and disinfected washing machine that smells great. And finally, clean the washing machine itself. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you next time. Easy.
Look at you go.
Easy. Oh my God, I'm moving. Okay, Senya. I just cleaned the floors.
سوي شوي منهم.
Oh my God, أكيد ما شو قلت هلا؟
It's the Pepsi trick.
1. Okay. Easy. Okay.
Sounds like there was a simpler solution for that.
شو هي؟
No. فيك تجيبي كباية تعمل scooping like this. بدك توتري حالك.
خلاص. Already I'm committed هلا.
It's too late now.
It's too late now. I'm already committed, and the toilet is right there. Okay, easy.
Yeah.
Easy. Easy. 1, 2.